Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Mariam. In today's video, I will just be showing you how I wash my fussy hair. Sit back, relax, and let's enjoy the video together. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. If you haven't liked this video yet, please kindly like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video for you. And yes, Happy New Year! I officially welcome you all to 2026. Hey! Thank you, Jesus. It is a year of ease on every side for us all. Nothing missing, nothing broken. Everything we lay our hands upon will prosper this year. We will not lack, we will not borrow, we will not be put to shame no matter what comes our way. We are protected from all evil on all sides. Our children are protected, our spouse are protected, our sibling parents are protected. Thank you to all that have subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I hope you found today's video helpful. Bye.